In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a web hosting plan on Hostinger. If you no longer need a hosting plan, or you simply want to make sure you are not charged again at the next billing date, the process is fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to find the correct settings and what to look for so you can cancel the plan smoothly and avoid any confusion. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you are logged in, take a moment to make sure you are on the main account area where your hosting services and account options are visible. This is important because the cancellation settings are found inside your account management section, not on the public website. Next, click on your profile. You'll usually find this in the top area of the dashboard. Opening your profile menu gives you access to the account-related sections where billing and subscription settings are managed. If you're not sure where to go next, don't worry, because the option you need is clearly labeled. From there, click on Billing. This is the section where Hostinger keeps information related to your payments, active services, and renewals. Once you enter Billing, look for the area called Subscription. This is where all of your current plans should be listed, including hosting services that are still active on your account. Now, locate the specific hosting plan you want to cancel. Be careful at this stage, especially if you have more than one subscription. Take a second to confirm that you are selecting the correct plan, so you don't accidentally change the wrong service. Checking the plan name and renewal details can help make sure you're in the right place. Once you've found the correct plan, toggle off Auto Renewal. This stops the plan from renewing automatically in the future. After that, click Cancel Subscription. This is the step that finalizes your cancellation request for that hosting plan. As you go through this process, read any on-screen messages carefully. Some platforms may show a confirmation prompt or additional details about what happens after cancellation, such as how long the service remains active until the end of the billing period. Reviewing that information helps you avoid surprises. And that's it. That's how to cancel a web hosting plan on Hostinger. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along with the steps again slowly inside your own account to make sure everything is completed correctly.